The 2025 BMW i7 M70 unofficial concept dares to redefine what it means to drive in the age of electric luxury. This bold vision takes BMW's flagship electric sedan and injects it with motorsport DNA, merging raw power, avant-garde design, and tech-laden sophistication. It's not just a glimpse into the future, it's a statement. Performance. Under the hood, well, more accurately, under the floor, the i7 M70 concept is rumored to pack a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup capable of delivering over 650 horsepower and blistering torque. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour could be achieved in just under 3.5 seconds, rivaling many supercars, while M-tuned suspension and dynamic driving modes promise a ride that's as agile as it is luxurious. Exterior design. This concept doesn't whisper elegance, it shouts innovation. A more aggressive front fascia with larger air intakes, M-specific aerodynamic elements, and laser-thin headlights sculpt a face of modern dominance. The silhouette remains long and dignified, but sharp creases and sculpted side panels give it a lean, muscular presence. A bespoke matte finish and 22-inch forged wheels complete the visual drama. Interior design. Step inside, and the future embraces you. The cabin is a sanctuary of sustainable luxury, with vegan leather, recycled materials, and customizable ambient lighting creating a modern, ethereal atmosphere. A panoramic BMW curved display stretches across the dash, paired with eye-assisted controls and a crystal iDrive controller. Rear passengers are treated to a full cinema experience, thanks to the executive lounge seating and retractable 8K theater screen. Fuel efficiency. Efficiency meets performance with an estimated range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, thanks to BMW's next-gen battery tech. Fast charging capabilities allow up to 80% replenishment in under 30 minutes, keeping you on the move with minimal downtime. Intelligent regenerative braking and route-optimized energy management ensure that every drive is smart as well as thrilling. The 2025 BMW i7 M70 unofficial concept is more than a vehicle, it's a vision of electrified power, tailored luxury, and next-level intelligence. If this is what the future looks like, the road ahead is more exciting than ever.